gonna find some of these on menus at some of the, some of the nicer restaurants in the region. You can see now we've set this up where we're going by region. In the past, it was here's Sauv Blancs, here's Pinots, here's Sparkling. But what we've done now is organize everything by region, which is helpful because some people, we've had a lot of call for I want a Spanish red, I want something I want a dry Italian white.